Hey everybody, it's Neil. If you've been following me, you know I've been working out a lot and losing a lot of weight and getting a lot of exercise. So I needed some more cooling towels. I had some before, and I just go through a lot of them just because I do a lot of exercise. So we're gonna check these ones out and see how they are. So not a Ziploc. Excuse my biting of it, but there we go. Let's check these out. Both, I think it was a 4-pack, maybe. Yeah, 4-pack or 5. Let's see. We'll see how many are in here and all the different colors. Check this out. So these are them. It's a decent size. You can see this is, I would say, probably, let's see, I don't know, 3.5 feet, 4 feet wide by foot wide. So there you go. Or foot, so that's it. And it's got a dark blue on the outside. It seems like about as good as any other one. So there's that color. I'm colorblind, so you guys will have to tell me what the colors are. So here's another one, 2. You get this one here, 3, and this one here, 4. So we got 4 towels. So there they are, and they seem like they're as good as any others. I mean, I don't even know. I can show you guys what I was using most recently. Was this one here that I had gotten some freebie one, and it's way smaller. So if we compare it to that, so you can see we compare these two together. My old one was that big. So this one here is a little wider and a little longer than my old one, which actually was some freebie that I got from somewhere. But so I don't know, I like these ones better. So hopefully it'll be longer, more absorbent, even better. So check these out. If you want to pick some of these up, the link is in my description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks, bye.